For new dies and dies that have been in storage for a while, they must be brought up to temperature very slowly to drive off moisture without shorting out or reducing the life of the heaters. Heat the die progressively from room temperature as follows. Room temperature to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, and hold for 30 minutes. Then raise it to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius, and hold for 30 minutes. Then raise it to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius, and hold for 15 minutes. Finally, raise it up to the die's operating temperature. If you have an autoflex die, once the die is at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius, you need to turn the autoflex on, and it must also be brought up to temperature very slowly to drive off moisture, without shorting out or reducing the life of the heaters. You want to turn on the powers to 10% for 15 minutes, then 20% power for 15 minutes, then 30% power for 15 minutes, then 40% power for 15 minutes, then 50% power for 30 minutes. Once the die and autoflex heaters are up to temperature, you are now ready to set your lip gap and tighten the end seals. If your die has lip heaters installed, you will turn them on after you've started running the polymer through the die. This is the procedure that you would use every time you start up the die. By slowly bringing up your die to the temperature, you will reduce the risk of burning out the heaters or reducing the life of the heaters. After doing a split and clean on your die, you should also check all of the electrical in your die, including the autoflex heaters if you have an autoflex die.